Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your wireless Apple CarPlay, why it might not be working and what to do, as well as finally go through how easier it makes your life and show you the benefits of connecting your phone to your car. Let's get into it. So before we start, the most important thing is to make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. Then we're all on the same page and there's no reason for the software to be actually holding you back when it comes to getting your Apple CarPlay connected. Second thing that's extremely important, actually impeded on making this video for a short while, was that you need to have Siri on. If Siri isn't on, you won't even be able to find Apple CarPlay on your phone. So it's extremely important to have Siri turned on. I want to go to your settings once again and go into screen time and make sure that there's no restrictions on Apple CarPlay. In this case, all of them are off, so everything is allowed. And lastly, on your phone, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on and your Wi-Fi is on. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect it without either of those being connected anywhere. If you're at home, I suggest you just disconnect from your Wi-Fi because it might be catching your home Wi-Fi. And if you connected your phone via Bluetooth before, just unpair that so you can start the whole process from the beginning. If everything is set up properly, in your settings, you should be able to go to General and see CarPlay in this area. So depending on what car you have, I have an Audi RS5 using the latest MMI system, there should be somewhere to go and find how to connect your phone, either something called like phone apps or phone. In this case, if you go to telephone, that will actually connect via Bluetooth, but what you want to do is you want to connect either Android Auto or in this case, Apple CarPlay, so you go to your phone apps. And at this point, it should say that you should connect your phone to the vehicle now to use Apple CarPlay. So in your iPhone, just go click on CarPlay and it should search for the car. And there it is, Audi MMI 0277. It's the same up there. So I'll go select that. Requesting to pair, click pair, allow on your phone. Just accept everything on both screens. You've connected an iPhone to the MMI. The iPhone supports Apple CarPlay. Which function do you want to use? So we'll use Apple CarPlay. When Apple CarPlay is active, data are transferred between your vehicle and the iPhone. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay and agree to this data transfer? Yes, agree. And there you have it. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Simple as that. It's really important to make sure that you follow the first steps in ensuring that Siri works and is turned on, and as well making sure that you have no restrictions regarding Apple CarPlay and your phone, as I mentioned earlier. So now I'm going to send a message via WhatsApp to the iPhone. There we go. And while you're driving, you can click on it.
I'll need to access your WhatsApp data to do this.
You agree?
QCO said like this video if it helped you. Would you like to reply? Like this video if it helped you? Would you like to reply? Like this video if it helped you? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
You can also consider subscribing if this video helped you, and that can help me with my algorithm.
Your WhatsApp reply to QCO says you could also consider subscribing if this video helped you, and I can help me with my algorithm. Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Yep, and I just received that on my phone, so you can text people without even looking at your phone while driving. It's so much safer than doing anything on your phone while driving. There's so many accidents happening right now because of it, and obviously if your car doesn't have wireless Apple CarPlay, you can just connect it via cable to have wired Apple CarPlay, which works exactly the same. You have so many possibilities. You can check out your maps and use that instead of your standard navigation in the car. You can swipe to check out different applications that you can use, change your settings, see your dates, your meetings, your reminders, Spotify, Telegram, WhatsApp, WhatsApp, Zoom, even Google Maps. So there's so many things that you can do at your fingertips without holding a phone and being distracted while driving. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, do what Siri told you to do and smash that like button. It helps me out with the algorithm, and just be a nice person. And let me know down in the comment section if it actually did help you. Really interested to know. If you have any other problems, I'll try and reply to you and help you out with that, as well as subscribe for more. Take care. Have a great day.